Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rob. Welcome to the E-mini Trader Talk. Now, this is a supplement video. It is not part of our Trader Talk. It is actually something that is going on that I'm finding that I wanted to get out to you. It could be a trade. It could be a setup. It could be, an educational component. Something as a bonus that I wanted to shoot off to you guys. And I wanted to record a disclaimer so it's done and I could just merge it together with the file. And as I'm recording a trade as an example, I don't have to stop and do a 30-second disclaimer, get slides open and everything else, and miss out on the trade possibly for teaching it to you. So let me go ahead and take care of the disclaimer. Basically, it says I am not an advisor. I cannot legally tell you to buy or sell a stock. It is against the law. The SEC, which the Securities and Exchange Commission, requires you to be licensed. I am not, and I do not want to be. So if you find a candidate, indicator, set up something, anything that you like here today, my suggestion is you paper trade it first before ever putting 1 penny of real money into the trade, setup, or indicator, and then and only then would you do so if it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. Now keep something in mind. Because I am not an advisor, that means I am not under trading restrictions. That means that I may choose to enter or exit a trade at any given time without prior notice. Now keep in mind that each and every one of these trade setups that we might discuss here are all non-funded trades. In other words, they are meant to be for educational purposes only. All right, perfect. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is Wednesday, September 16th. We're sitting at 5 minutes to 7. We just got a breakout to the upside on the moving averages, which it's been a while since it's happened. I took a trade before I was able to get my recording software started. So again, I just wanted you to see what's going on here. We're going to put in we did put in a trade with a 15 tick stop. 2 contracts was the exit that we set up with. And we've got this downtrend line broken. We had a little bit of a push to the upside. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right now and bring it back as it starts to tick up. We're going to watch down on these bottoms here for a support level. So let me just actually draw that in. Right down in here is where we're looking at for a support. So if we start to violate that, we'll have to reconsider, do we still want to be in that trade or not, right? Okay, so let me go ahead and pause it and we'll see as it starts to progress. So we just went to a plus 20, now plus 10. It's just about a minute since I paused it. Still in the same candle. We're up a plus 10 right now. The bid-ask spread is not really that bad. At least it wasn't just a moment ago. We're at 2 ticks. So really not bad, but we were actually at 1 tick just a few seconds ago. So not bad numbers that we're focused on or playing with here today. If we look at the overnight session of what's going on, you could see where the trade setup from last evening that I did, the last recording that I did for you guys, we've got some resistance at the top of the box at 22, right? It's played or had some importance. I'm just going to put a line right there. It had some importance in this cluster right here. So if we target up to that level, we're up $20 right now. If we get up near this is 22, so maybe near the 20 level, that's a 10-point move. We could yank it off on 2 contracts, and there's $100 to start the day off. Right now we're up 30 points, or $30, $40. Right, and again, guys, if you're freaking out on this, you could always exit 1 contract. You could just take your $40 and call it a day. I mean, it's not a bad thing. We're just scalping here. This is no massive moves I'm looking at. I mean, you can see we're up $70 right now on this trade. And we came up, we hit the 20. Had we had a hard stop in there, we'd be out of this trade. We nailed that 20 right there. So $80 to the upside or to the good right now. We're watching it. We're seeing. Let's see what happens. All right, so we just formed a new candle. I wasn't even watching that. We just formed a new candle. There's our 20. We're up $90. Plus the spread, right? So we actually have to hit 21 to get 100. So I've got a million things going on here this morning, guys. I'm going to click close and sell. We locked in $90. I got to get back to working here. It's my wedding anniversary today, and all kinds of plans and all kinds of stuff to go through. So if I had the time, I would have scaled out of 1 contract and watch the next one and see if we broke above this 20 level, 22 level. And if it did, great. If not, no worries. But we locked in $90 in all of 3 or 4 minutes or so. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. God bless. See you at the next one. Bye.